Hello, I'm Wendy. Welcome to my channel, Island Creations. When it comes to fall, the colorful leaves is the first thing I think of. So let's make a pair of autumn leaf earrings together. I first made a pair in gold with smaller leaves with a total of 6 rows of beads here. For this tutorial, I decided to make a copper color one with bigger leaves with an extra row of 4 beads. Here are the tools and materials you will need. You will want to have a variety of size 11 seed beads in fall leaf colors. If you plan to make this copper color one, then you would want to have a copper color chain and earring hook and also copper color 28 gauge wires. These are 6 inches long. But to be honest with you, I actually like this gold one with smaller leaves more. Tools wise, you will need a round nose plier, chain nose plier, wire cutter, and a nylon jaw plier. Alright, let's start making the earring. I will not be doing any voice instructions, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. If you want to make the smaller leaf, then skip this row here with the 4 beads. I hope that you plan to give these a try and that you will like how they turn out. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I will see you next time. Bye!